Hello students, how are you? Yes, I'm fine, I can see you also fine. Yes, we can say that I'm here to solve your problem. Which type of problem? So yes, nowadays I'm listening this thing that lots of students are having excuse or like making any kind of complaints that कि सर हमारा ये लॉकडाउन में मिस हो गया था बेसिक्स हमारे मिस हो गए and that's why we are not performing in maths, okay, particularly maths. So this is happening with lots of person, okay, you are not the only victim that facing this issue. So but as a teacher, we are not we are not discussing only problems. We are having solution also. And solution is what? If you have missed and learned these things, अब learning के लिए you are not having any kind of proper YouTube courses of basic maths कि जो तुम्हें step by step जितने भी तुम्हारे concept miss हो गए उसको clear करवाए. So I go through those things. मुझे पहले तो यही लगा कि if I am having anything that मुझे कुछ मिल जाता है that I'll suggest you. But there is nothing like that. So it's like now I have to be that person जिसने पूरा कोर्स बनाना पड़ेगा and that's why I am here. So I'll give you step by step each and everything that will help you for your higher grade maths. Okay, so let's start with the integers. Okay, without wasting your time. Yeah, this is the first lecture. That's why I'm introducing all those things. Why it is happening and now what we are going to do. But now onwards, we'll stick only on the perfect the stepwise solution of your fear. Okay, and that is the thing. You all are aware why you having fear. Why while I'm here. Okay, so let's start with the basic maths day one integers. Now the numbers you all are aware. Okay, numbers means what? Natural number. Then we can say that integers, natural number, then whole number, then is integers. Okay, so you all are aware about that number. What is the problem over here? And see, this thing is not like problematic even. You are aware about this subtraction, addition, and all those things. But that might be confusing when you are having that much number like 3, 2, 1, 4, that type of lots of number you are having. Then you are having the issue that ki sir ab kya kar? And like lots of mistakes you are doing. Mistakes means what? 3 minus 4, so you are considering 1, or sometimes minus 3 plus 4 you are using this sign over that and then you're writing. So this type of mistakes you are doing in exam and usko hi overcome karne ke liye I'm here. So let's start with the first step, first concept. And yes, the approach is very simple. We are here for learning, और मैथ्स इज द सब्जेक्ट जिसको हम समझ सकते हैं स्टोरी बेस से. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ओके, फॉरगेट अबाउट दी 4 एप्पल थे 4 खा गया कितना बचा है. दिस इज द लाइक ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. वी हैव टू use the modern solution for the modern problems. Okay, now you all are aware about this Harry Potter. Okay, if you are not, then you can clearly see that thing, that two forces, two power is here. First one is positive and negative, or forget about this positive negative. एक ग्रीन कलर है एक रेड कलर है. ओके, अब कौन जीतेगा? तो भाई जिसकी पावर कैपेसिटी ज्यादा होगी वो जीत जाएगा. दो तरीके से कि जिसका पावर ज्यादा है, अगर दोनों सेम पावर है मीन्स if this in this thing if this long lasting for 3 hours और इस भाई के पास 4 hours वाली पावर है तो ऑब्वियसली ये 4 hours वाला जीत जाएगा. this thing this thing you need to be very clear and precise for this. यही याद रखना है throughout the year, throughout the like your last week. Remember this Harry Potter and Voldemort vibe, and you will get all the answers in your mind. Okay, so now how can we start this thing? So first, okay, now let me clarify all those things. How we can add and subtract. Okay, addition and subtraction. How can we add addition and how can we understand addition and subtraction by the Harry Potter story? Okay, let me write Harry over here and with 4 hours power, and I'm changing color with कौन सा color है? Okay, चलो dark blue. With Voldemort with 3 hours power. Now, one is positive, one is negative. That's why they are fighting now. नहीं तो ऐसे ही कौन fight करेगा? So yes, Voldemort is having 3 hours, and Harry Potter is having 4 hours. You all are aware who is going to win. Okay, let me use one more color for result. 4 is positive, 3 is negative. So 4 minus 3, your answer is what? 1. Clear? Because 4 1 is the positive one is higher, positive जीत जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा +1 means what? Positive. Now again, this thing is not very good for that evil power. So उसने किसी को हेल्प करने के लिए बुलाया. Now helping hand के लिए आ रहा है हमारा ड्रैको. Now ड्रैको आप लोगों को पता होगा that blonde hair person, वो आ रहा है दूसरी 3 hours पावर के साथ. So now resulting power of Voldemort and Draco is what? 6 hours. Again, why 6 hours? Sir, both in negative. अब जो भी person आएगा, that the person की the picture that will fight from here, from the Voldemort side. Okay, like from here, Okay, so they both are having the same power. So both is having the same power. So both are going to again like playing against the Harry Potter. So that's why they are having 6 hours, and then Harry remain Harry with 4 hours. Now what happened? This is 4 hours and this is 6 hours. Who is going to win? Yes, yes, you are having in your mind. Answer is in your mind. 4 is plus, 6 is minus. So answer is what? Minus 2. That is minus 2. Minus 2. Now, again, this is minus 2. You know that now. Minus 2. How? Minus 2 is here because the negative power is more. So minus 2 is there. That's why minus 2. Okay. But again, we can say that Harry is again in need of help. So Harry calls someone. Will have Ronan in our team. 4 hours already Harry Potter having, and Ronan is with 3 hours. The resulting is what? 7 hours total. Or the other side we are having that team Voldemort or Voldemort 6 hours again hand to hand combat, and who is going to win now? You know that who is going to win. Obviously Harry Potter, team Harry Potter is going to win. So but what is your resulting answer? 7 positive, 6 negative, and your answer is what? 1. So this is the easiest thing we are going to understand. Very easy. Whenever you are having two numbers, understand this thing. Now let me give you a few examples that will clear your all doubts. Okay, this is example section. First, 7 minus 9. Now 7 you are considering positive because 7 is having positive no sign, so we are considering positive sign. Positive minus negative, who is having more power? So negative number is having more power, so negative is long lasting than positive. How much hours? 7 hours, 9 hours, 2 hours negative power बचेगा ना हमारे पास. So answer is minus 2. Very easy. Okay, minus 3 plus 4. Who is going to win? Sir, negative is 3 hours and positive is 4 hours. Plus is higher than negative. So answer is what? 1. Positive 1 hour is still pending. Again, sometimes you will get this type of question. Minus 10 plus 6. Now what is the question? Minus 10 plus 6. So you don't have to repeat this thing, this mistakes like you are doing earlier. Okay, so 10 minus 6. How this thing is happening? Minus is minus, negative power is negative only. Negative 10 hours is like continuously चलेगा, तो उसको ऐसे ही रहने दो. प्लस 6 के साथ पॉजिटिव है. कौन यहाँ पे बड़ा है? तो सर नेगेटिव बड़ा है. आंसर हमारा नेगेटिव में आएगा बिकॉज पावर इज मोर. सो 6 hours cut, minus 10 hours is that. Answer is what? Minus 4. Then again one more example. Sir, minus 10 plus 6 plus 9. Oh my God, sir, this is not the part of syllabus. Now, how we are going to do this? Okay, so for that, again, we are having one more story. Okay, it's very interesting. Okay, can I ask you a question? What you can see on my screen, like what you can observe by this thing? Okay, yeah, you are saying that it's a lots of foods and all that thing, और हाँ उसमें भी सबसे ज़्यादा we are having females that eating. Okay, don't be that much gender biased and foodie kind of thing. Yes, before that we can see that lots of person, see everyone is having only one dish in their hand. Okay, and again this one dish, this, okay, this dish is belongs to this person and this one is that person. Okay, now and along with that, okay, along with that, if you can see that along with that, these all dresses are in front of person. Okay, like no one is that person like कि पीछे डिस लेके खड़ा हुआ है ना, not like that, in front of person. Okay, in front of person. So now this concept, understand this concept. What is this concept? Everyone is having one dish only, and the second one is what, that this is in front of, this is always visible. Okay, means it is in front of our eyes. Okay, so can I use this as one dish means one sign, and always visible means before the number, not after the number, before the number. Who is before the number? So that this is referred to sign. So now let's start with the example. Okay, I'm giving you an example that 1 minus 3 plus 7 plus 3. Again, that you can bring one more understanding from here also. Okay, let me give you one more point. That third point that will give you all this idea. And yes, everyone is having only one dish. So no two dishes. No one is having two dishes. Okay, no one is having two dishes. So now let's start with the example. 1 7 minus 3 plus minus 9. Now you are confused for this type of question. So lots of sign is over here. Okay, forget about that. Sir, direct plus minus minus plus. Okay, understand only this concept. Okay, this concept is very easy. 7 and minus 3 is that first make a group of 2. Okay, that process from the last slide, that what you need to understand is hand to hand combat. Okay, first you can add one positive numbers and negative number, and go hand to hand, or maybe directly go through the hand to hand. Okay, so 7 minus 3, make a group of 7 minus 3. Now 7 minus 3, and always start from the left hand side. Okay, don't go from the right hand side, that might be you will confuse. Okay, so always from the left hand side. 7 minus 3. What is 7 minus 3? So 7 is having positive power which is lasting till 7 hours, or 3 negative 3 hours. So who is going to be 4 plus minus 9. Okay, sir. Now what? Plus minus. Again, understand. First concept. One dish we require. Only one dish. Sir, we are having two dish. कुछ नहीं. दोनों में से सब कुछ जो खाने लायक चीज़ है उसको एक में मिला दो. That is the thing. Plus minus. What is plus minus? Only minus. Now again, that is the first case scenario from the first slide. 4 is positive. जो 4 hours चलेगा. 9 is negative. 9 hours. 4 minus 9 is what? Oh, sorry, minus 5. Clear? Then second, again let me give you few more question. Sir, it is very easy or not? 10 hours positive, 3 hours negative, resulting is 7 plus 7. What is my answer? Wow, 14. Both is having same power. Same power means 18. 18 add हो गया. Third, again one more thing, minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. Now okay, let me change one more thing for you. plus minus 4 or minus plus 4. Let me correct this thing. Plus minus 4 is very good. Minus 7 plus 3. Make a group of minus 7 plus 3. From where we need to start? From left hand side. Minus 7 plus 3. Negative is more, positive is less. Who is going to win? Always negative. Two discs quoted. We don't want two discs. We want only one. Plus minus minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4. Both are from the same team, from the negative team. What is my answer? It's a minus 8. It's a very easy. If you're having four number, more than four number, then what we can say that minus 10 plus 13 minus 22 plus 21. Okay, what we can do? Make a group of two. Negative is more, positive is less. Okay, so sorry, negative is less, positive is more. The answer is what? In positive 3 minus 22 plus 21. Now again make a group of two. Positive is less, negative is more. So answer is in negative. 3 minus 22. Answer is what? Minus 19 plus 21. Now last is that negative is less, positive is more. Answer is in positive. And that's how we are going to solve all those numbers. So what you understand by this session, that you need to remember, it's a very easy. Now onwards I want that everyone learn this concept and everyone will go through each and every question by this two story. First, Harry Potter concept. What is Harry Potter concept? Always understand magic game, that one is positive, one is negative, resulting is zero, not zero, but we need to understand कौन ज़्यादा sustainable करेगा वो जीत जाएगा. And second is what? Disconcept is what? Anyone can hold only one disc. If two discs are there, combine them thing and do the simplification. If more than 4-5 numbers we are having, then what we can do? Uh, Simplify with two number and start with left side. Start with left hand side. Am I clear? Okay, for your practice I'm adding lots of question in description. Please check and go through this thing. If you're having any query or any doubt, then please ping this thing in comment section. I'll answer in the next video. Okay, and from until the very next time, try and practice those things. Bye bye.